So here we have the Renault Clio on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, and as you can see in the center we have a digital readout for the speedometer. Above that we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 31,622. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our controls on there for cruise control. We've also got voice activation for the phone. You'll only be able to use that once you pair the phone up to the car, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center by hitting phone and then following the instructions on screen from there, which we're not going to do at this moment in time. This car's got two different ways you can listen to your own music. First of all, by going into media. Nothing is connected at the moment. You can see there we've got USB and auxiliary inputs. We also have Bluetooth audio as well. So once you pair your phone, you can stream your music wirelessly. And of course, we've got the radio. This car, as you will see, has got FM, AM and DAB radio all available. Back out to the main menu is where you'll access your satellite navigation. Really nice colour display. It's a very easy system to use. Working our way down from that, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, the fan speed and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so you can turn that off. Back on again from there. You can also recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set on that left-hand dial, of course. And we have our heated rear screen. To start the engine, just plug the key into here. That button will start and stop the car. We have a 12-volt charging socket down there as well. The 5-speed manual gearbox and the settings to turn your cruise control on so that you can then use the steering wheel controls, and you can put the car into eco mode as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.